Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most essential parts of ISO 9001, continuous improvement. Whether you're a quality manager, a business owner, or just someone interested in making your organization the best it can be, this video is for you. Ladies and gentlemen, we're not just talking about compliance today. No, we're talking about building a culture of continuous improvement where quality isn't just a buzzword, it's a way of life. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get into it. First things first, what exactly is continuous improvement in ISO 9001? The term itself means making ongoing, incremental improvements to your processes. In ISO 9001, it's the foundation of a great quality management system, QMS. But let's be real, continuous improvement isn't about big changes overnight. It's all about small, consistent steps that make a huge impact over time. Think of it like going to the gym. You don't lift the heaviest weights on day one. You build your strength over time. The same principle applies here, improving little by little and refining what works and what doesn't. Now, you can't talk about continuous improvement without mentioning the PDCA cycle. Plan, do, check, act. It's the heartbeat of ISO 9001. Let's break it down. Number 1, plan. This is where you identify areas for improvement. Are your processes not meeting customer expectations? Are there inefficiencies slowing you down? In this phase, you're analyzing, setting objectives, and preparing to take action. Number 2, do. Here's where the magic happens. You implement those changes, but on a small scale. You're testing things out to see how it works in real life. Number 3, check. Then, you measure the results. Did your changes actually make a difference? Did you hit your targets? Number 4, act. If it worked, great. Standardize the improvement. If not, make adjustments and start the cycle again. This cycle isn't a one and done deal. It's something you repeat over and over. And the more you do it, the better your organization becomes at adapting and evolving. Here's where things get interesting. Continuous improvement is not just about top-down management decisions. You need every single person in your organization involved. From your frontline staff to your executives, everyone plays a role. Training your team is key. You want employees to feel empowered to suggest improvements. This doesn't happen by accident, it happens through a culture that encourages open communication and innovation. When employees are involved in improvement processes, they take ownership. They start seeing problems as opportunities. And that, my friends, is where real magic happens. Let's talk problem solving. Every business has issues, but it's critical to dig deep and solve the right problems. That's where root cause analysis comes in. A lot of organizations tend to treat the symptoms of a problem rather than the root cause. One of my favorite techniques is the 5 whys. Ask why 5 times, and more often than not, you'll find the real cause of the issue. By solving the root cause, you ensure that the problem doesn't come back. And that's a huge part of continuous improvement. Now, let's get into the numbers. Data-driven decision-making is crucial to continuous improvement. We're not guessing here. We're measuring performance, identifying trends, and using those insights to drive better results. For example, you should regularly review your audit results, customer feedback, and KPIs. This gives you a solid foundation for deciding what to improve and whether your changes are making a real difference. The better you get at analyzing data, the quicker you can make informed decisions, and the more streamlined your continuous improvement efforts will become. Let's take it a step further. In a great QMS, continuous improvement isn't reactive, it's proactive. That means spotting potential issues before they happen. It's about being ahead of the game. This requires a shift in mindset. Instead of thinking, how can we fix this problem, you want to start asking, how can we prevent this from happening in the first place? Leaders in your organization should encourage this proactive mindset. Recognize employees who bring forward solutions before issues escalate. The goal is to make quality improvement second nature for everyone. Let's talk tools. There are a lot of methodologies out there that can help you with continuous improvement: Kaizen, Lean, Six Sigma. These tools are all about streamlining processes and reducing waste. Implementing these techniques alongside ISO 9001 can transform your organization into a well-oiled machine. Whether it's eliminating inefficiencies or improving product quality, these tools can take your continuous improvement game to the next level. Remember, it's not enough just to make changes, you have to monitor them. Are your improvements actually delivering results? That's where tracking KPIs and quality objectives comes in. Every improvement needs to be measured against your goals. And here's the thing, if something doesn't work, it's not a failure. It's a learning opportunity. You adjust and keep moving forward. And there you have it, a complete guide to fostering a culture of continuous improvement within your ISO 9001 framework. It's not just about processes, it's about people, data, and a mindset shift. So are you ready to take your quality management to the next level? If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share this with anyone looking to build a stronger, more quality-driven organization. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.